Hey guys, welcome to How to Media. In this video I will show you how to create a Zoom meeting account. Now let's get started. First, install the Zoom meeting application from the Play Store if you haven't already installed it. Then after installing the application, open the application and then click on sign up. Choose your birth date and then click on set. Now type in your email, your first name, your last name, and then click on sign up. Now we need to activate our account by clicking on the activation email sent on your mail. So go to your email and then click on the mail sent by the Zoom. Click on activate account. Now we need to create a password for our username. So let me set a password. Create your password according to those instructions. Now again type in your password to confirm it. Click on I'm not a robot and then click on continue. Just click on skip this step. Now click on go to my account. It will take you to your account which is already been made. Now you need to go back to your app and open it. Close this and then click on sign in into your email and password that you just created. Click on cancel. Your account has been made. If you want to check your profile, go to settings and here are your informations. Your account has been successfully made. You can also change your profile photo from here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.